Let me ask you something. What do you do when the person you love slips through your fingers? Do you fight harder? Do you hold on tighter? Or do you pull away and hope the silence makes them realize your worth? That's the idea behind the no contact rule, a strategy so many people swear by. Cut them off. No texts, no calls, no happy birthday messages, nothing. The hope? That by doing this, your ex will miss you, regret losing you, and come running back. But let's be brutally honest, no contact doesn't always work. And the reason it fails for so many people is because they misunderstand the rules, they make common mistakes, and they forget what no contact is truly about. Today, I want to break this down for you. Not just the rules of no contact, not just the mistakes to avoid, but the emotional truths that will set you free. And whether your ex comes back or not, you will walk away from this stronger, clearer, and ready to love again. No contact is not about manipulation, it's about healing. The biggest mistake people make is thinking no contact is a trick to get their ex back. If I disappear, they'll panic. They'll miss me. They'll chase me. But here's the reality. If you're doing no contact just to control them, you're still a prisoner of their attention. Silence is not manipulation, it's medicine. It's giving yourself space to breathe again, to break the cycle of begging, chasing, or replaying the breakup in your head. You can't heal in the same environment that broke you. And no contact creates that distance. So the first rule? Don't do it for them. Do it for you. The mistake of fake no contact. Some people say they're in no contact, but secretly watch their ex's every move on social media. They stalk. They wait for updates. They replay conversations. That's not no contact. That's obsession in silence. You can't heal while feeding yourself breadcrumbs of their life. If you're serious about no contact, stop lurking. Stop checking who they're with, what they're posting, or whether they've seen your story. Real no contact means detaching, not monitoring. As the saying goes, you can't move forward while looking backward. No contact isn't always permanent. It's strategic. Some people think once you go no contact, you can never break it. That's not true. No contact is like a reset button. It gives you both space to reflect. After time, if the situation is right, you can reopen communication from a healthier place. But here's the key. You don't break no contact because you're lonely. You break it only when you're grounded, confident, and ready for a real conversation, not another cycle of pain. The trap of waiting by the phone. One of the most painful mistakes is expecting your ex to chase you. You tell yourself, if I stay silent, any moment now they'll call. But days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and nothing happens. And here's the truth. No contact guarantees nothing. You can't control their heart. What you can control is your own growth. Use this time to become magnetic, not by waiting, but by living. Work on your health, your passions, your friendships. Create a life so full that whether they return or not, you're already winning. Don't wait for someone to recognize your worth. Show them by recognizing it yourself first. No contact won't work if you haven't accepted reality. So many people enter no contact secretly refusing to believe it's over. They treat it like a pause button instead of an ending. But healing only begins when you accept the truth. The relationship, as it was, is gone. Acceptance doesn't mean you don't love them. It means you stop living in denial. It means you let go of the fantasy version of the relationship and face what it really was. Only then can no contact help you move forward, because you're not just holding your breath, waiting for them to fix it. The power of mystery and space. Yes, distance can make the heart grow fonder, but only if you use the distance correctly. If your ex knows you're sitting by the phone waiting, the mystery is gone. But if they see you shining, living, becoming someone stronger, curiosity awakens. That's the paradox of no contact. The less you try to control them, the more space they have to feel your absence. But the focus must remain on you. You don't create mystery by playing games. You create it by genuinely growing. Breaking no contact too early. Another huge mistake? Breaking no contact too soon. One weak moment, one late night text, one "I miss you" message, and suddenly, all your progress is gone. Remember, emotions come in waves. Today you feel strong, tomorrow you feel lonely. But don't let temporary emotions destroy permanent growth. Every time you hold the line, you prove to yourself that you're stronger than your impulses. Point number 8. No contact doesn't fix compatibility. This is tough, but real. No contact can create space, mystery, even longing. but it cannot change fundamental incompatibility. If your values clash, if the relationship was toxic, if they never respected you, no amount of silence will fix that. Sometimes, no contact isn't about getting them back. It's about giving yourself the clarity to see that you deserve better. Point 9. The real purpose of no contact, self-transformation. At the end of the day, the no contact rule isn't about punishment, manipulation, or tricks. It's about rebirth. It's about closing the chapter of pain long enough for you to rediscover yourself. Think of it as your emotional detox. You're flushing out the poison of heartbreak, the dependency, the confusion. And what rises in its place is strength, dignity, and self-love. And here's the beautiful truth. Whether your ex comes back or not, you win. Because either they return to find a stronger, more radiant version of you, or you walk into a future where someone new will recognize your worth from day one. So let's put it all together. No contact doesn't always work. Not if you use it as a trick, not if you fake it, not if you wait around for miracles. But when you use it to heal, to grow, to accept, and to transform, it always works. Because it always gives you back the most important thing you lost in the breakup, yourself. And that's the ultimate lesson. Sometimes the silence between two people speaks louder than words. And sometimes that silence is not for them, it's for you. So stop waiting for them to come back. Start waiting for yourself to rise. That's the true power of no contact. Thank you for walking with me through this journey. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and never forget, you are worth more than the silence, more than the waiting, more than the heartbreak. You are worth everything. Until next time, take care of your heart, protect your peace, and keep moving forward. Goodbye.